Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to bring you another what I ate today, and I'm actually filming this part after everything. I didn't film my intro this morning, so you're going to kind of see the same look and feel at the end of the video. So let's jump right in and I'll show you how my day went. For my breakfast, I have a berry overnight oats, and it's just frozen mixed berries in there, and this one's super good. For lunch, I have a copycat Panera salad, and you can see all those yummy fruits in the bottom. And to go with that, I have the Skinny Girl poppy seed dressing, and of course I have some extra water in there to make it go a little further. 3 points for the oatmeal. Everything in this jar is 0 smart points. I have 2 smart points worth of dressing, and I also have 1 smart point of almonds. I already have it in my bag, so the sliced almonds I was using. I have a banana for a snack. I have 2 apples because of the fact that I have to go from one job to the other today, so I don't have time to stop, so I'm hoping that'll get me through. And then I have my Premier Protein and my coffee, so I'm going to make an iced coffee when I leave work, job number 1. And then, of course, I have one of those Built Bars. This is the mango flavor. This is the new one. It's so good. So I'm looking forward to having that for a snack later. Also have my 1 point coffee here to take with me. So with that said, I'm going to get out the door, and then I will fill you in with what's going on later. Alright, so I'm sitting down to dinner finally, and today is one of those days that I went to work and then I went to work. So it was just a super busy day. So we stopped by and I grabbed Tubby's for dinner, and my dinner is going to be 10 points for the small chicken fajita Tubby sub and 2 points for the mac and cheese bites. And if you haven't had those, here's the box. If you see these in your center, grab them. They are super good. And of course I've got another glass of water. I've been drinking water all day long. So I had kind of a busy day. I taught a class today. We have a wellness committee at work that I'm part of. And I did a meal prep 101 and overnight oats discussion today. So that's what I did during my lunch break. It was super fun. I'll include some footage here of that. Has anybody ever seen this?
Yes, I can post.
This is a microwave egg cooker. And you seriously put an egg in it. And like this week, I put 1 egg. I put a tablespoon of bacon crumbles, stirred it up, microwave it for 50 seconds, and then pull it out, let it cool off, and then I put it on as breakfast sandwiches. And then his are done for the week. I made 5 of them, I put them in the fridge. If I made more than 5 and I'm doing a major meal prep session, I could also freeze them. Difference in containers. Do you see this one and this one? Do you see the difference in size? Mm-hmm. One is a small mouth. One is a regular, and then the other one is a wide mouth. I prefer the wide mouth jars just because of the fact that it's easier to get things into. Now, when I do my salad in a jar, who in here does salad in jars? What do I have going on? If I know that I have baseball practice on Tuesday and we're going to the ball game on Friday, I don't have to cook those 2 days. Or maybe on Tuesday, I do a crock pot meal. Friday, out. Now, we always have leftovers one day. So what does that tell me I need? I need 4 meals. So you can see as you're going how easy it is to be able to do this if you know this. Because this is the most difficult part. But again, knowing your schedule, knowing what you need will help you get here. Does that make sense? And it's not a surprise because again, how often do you stand in front of your fridge going, oh man, what am I going to cook for dinner? And you decide on something, and then you realize that you don't have the other 2 ingredients that you need, and you have to improvise. By doing this, once I get this down pat, I take it another step and I do my grocery list. I also got lots of positive feedback from today. Everybody enjoyed the class. We we gave out some recipes. I gave out 3 of my overnight oats recipes, and then I turned around and talked about meal prepping from start to finish, how to get started, how I do it. We talked about meal planning and just kind of just various things. We did a Q&A, and this is the second time that I've presented during the lunchtime sessions. We call them lunch and learns. And the first time I did an Instant Pot 101, and that was super fun too. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap things up. I had 3 points for breakfast. I had 1 point for lunch, and I didn't put the almonds on my salad, and when I scanned the salad dressing, I thought it was more points, but it was only 1 smart point. So my lunch was only 1 point. So that brings me to 4. And then my dinner is gonna be 12. So what does that put me at? 16, plus I had a Premier Protein. I did an iced coffee, and that was 2 points. So I think I ended up the day at 18 points, roughly. I'll put my tracker here. And so I think 18 points, and I'm just gonna go ahead and roll over 4 points for the weekend. We've got a super busy weekend ahead. We have a baseball game on Friday, and then we're probably gonna head on the boat this weekend. So I'm gonna need all the extra points that I can get, I'm sure. All right, so with that said, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you are still watching, which I'm sure you are, go ahead and put what I ate in the comments below, and I'll know that you are enjoying these videos, and I'll continue to bring these to you a few times a month. All right, so I'm gonna sign off from here. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.